Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I did this really beautiful elegant fall freestyle, and I love how it turned out. So let's get right into it. We're going to be going in with this color called it's called 236, I think is the number, by RHINESTONES, and this is my favorite nude at the moment. It's so affordable, so easy to get on Amazon, and I just love it. You guys, I genuinely love this brand. Like, literally, out of all the brands that reach out to me and everything, I would love if this brand reached out to me, because they are like a small brand on Amazon, and I would love to support them and give them like send you guys over to purchase their stuff. They just haven't like, they haven't seen my videos. I don't think they know I exist, but I genuinely love all of their products. Like, every single one of their gels that I've tried, I love. I always recommend them to you guys. So yeah, if you guys are looking for a good nude, I recommend this one for sure. And I am going ahead and doing 2 coats of that, and then after that, on the ring finger, I am just going to be doing some orange mixtures, like kind of mixing this color from DNDDC, and then I'm going to be mixing a little bit of a brighter orange, which is electric orange from Nail Reserve. So I'm doing this color called apple cider, but it was a little bit too dull. I wanted something a little brighter, so I'm mixing in the other color. I honestly just wanted something that wasn't too Halloween orange and something that could roll over to fall but still kind of winter vibes. I was kind of going with that type of vibe for this freestyle in particular, just because I wanted something a little different. And I know this customer, like, she's ordered from me before, and I know her vibe, and I knew she was gonna love this set, you guys. And it was so freaking funny, because when I posted the finished like video of this set on my Instagram, she commented and she's like, OMG, I need these, they're so pretty. And I was like, oh my god, these are literally your nails. Like, she didn't even know that they were hers because it was a surprise freestyle, but she ended up loving them. So I had to tell her that these were actually hers, and she was so excited that they were. So that makes me so freaking happy. I'm actually gonna go DM her and ask her if she has videos or anything of her wearing them, because I would love to see. But now I'm gonna be doing a V-tip on all the other nails. I knew for sure that I wanted to do a V-tip, just because I've been doing so many French tips lately. Like, the amount of French tips is honestly crazy, you guys. They're so freaking popular right now, but I really wanted to do a V-tip, so I'm using my Beetles gel polish. It's honestly really good, just a little bit more watery than what I'm used to, but it is still a really good white. So if you're looking for a good one, that one's good as well. And in case you're new to my channel, the key to a really perfect, flawless V-tip on really not long nails, or basically any length nails, is to use a really long brush. So you want to use a 25mm brush, like, as far as the length, just because it gives you more control. Whereas if you use a little short brush, you're going to be able to see any type of shaky movement in your line work, and a long brush you won't. The long brush gives you a little more control when it comes to things like this. So I highly recommend you guys try that in case you're a beginner. I think I've only done V-tips on my channel probably like once or twice, but I just wanted to bring that up. And I'm just filling it in with the same brush. It's just so satisfying. Oh my gosh, I love watching it back and just seeing how I fill it in. And yeah, you guys, I just am doing this, and then after, we're actually going to be creating a really pretty little sweater design on these nails. And I just wanted to talk to you guys. How are you doing? I really appreciate all of you guys that always leave me such nice comments. It makes my day. Like, literally, you don't understand. You guys are what keep me going, because sometimes I feel like giving up and I don't want to do YouTube anymore, and I don't know why I get these feelings. I'm just very, very emotional all the time. I get very overwhelmed and stuff. I'm a Pisces, so I believe in zodiacs. Like, literally, that is like the truth. I'm such a Pisces through and through. I'm very emotional. I overthink everything. So yeah, you guys, I am so excited though for Christmas nails and stuff, and I'm really thinking about doing a sweater nail as part of my 50k giveaway. Over on Instagram, I wanted to do a giveaway for hitting 50k recently, and I had mentioned to you guys on my story, I don't know if any of you guys saw it, but I had mentioned that it would be a giveaway for some Christmas nails. I voted, I had everybody vote, and that's what they voted for, so that's what I'm going to do. And then now I'm just going to be applying my matte top coat to all of the nails. I'm using the Model 1s for this one, and it's actually a pretty good matte top coat if you guys are looking for something affordable and easy to get from Amazon. Next thing I'm doing is creating this V-tip sweater nail design. I'm starting out with 2 lines going in the same direction as the V-tip, and then I'm actually going to be doing the regular little sweater design where you go like down, left, down. I think that's the only way I could kind of explain it. Down, left, down, if you're doing it the same way I'm doing it. And it just works very well. If you're doing the nails upside down or like the correct way like this, then you're gonna go I think it's down. Yeah, I think it's still down, left, down actually. But it just looks so cute and no matter what, and there's always somebody that's gonna love sweater nails. I love them. They're so cute. It's literally best invention ever. I don't know who the original creator of them is, but they need props because this is one of the best ideas ever. Honestly, like so cute. I'm obsessed. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm not sure if I mentioned it already, I had to refilm this because my other audio got cut off. But I did want to do sweater nails for some of my giveaway nails that I'm planning on doing. So I'm really excited to film those for you guys. And yeah, so I'm just going to be doing that to all the white nails. And then just in case you're new to my channel or you're not sure how to do sweater nails yet, I just still want to explain it even though I know it's probably a design a lot of people already know. You want to make sure your gel is wet. Don't cure it at all. Just do your design that you want to do. And then you're going to go ahead and dump clear acrylic powder on top of it. And it's going to create the sweater effect. So you're going to dump the clear acrylic on top. You're not going to touch your design at all. And you're going to put it directly into your UV lamp. Make sure it's double cured. Make sure it's cured all the way through. And then you're going to go ahead and dust off all the excess acrylic powder and you're going to be left with that 3D fuzzy sweater look. It's so cute. It doesn't come off. Your sweater nail design will last literally so long, so I'm obsessed. I love it so much. And yeah, I'm just going to be going in with the bling placement now. So for the bling, I knew for sure I wanted to use some charms. I went ahead with these charms that I actually got from Shein. I actually showed the this charm that I put right there in my Shein haul a few videos back, and I'm going ahead and using my MAKARTT rhinestone gel. I did want to say that this gel will not make your rhinestones last if you don't use enough and then if you don't cure all the way. So make sure you're doing both of those steps. Make sure you're using enough gel and make sure you're curing it all the way through, and you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. But I do want to go back to using my Zulay glue. It just works on any surface. I know sometimes using glue on matte nails can be kind of tricky. You might have to buff the surface first. It gets kind of confusing. So I love using Zulay's because that glue will stick to literally anything. It will not come off. Like literally, it will not come off. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and using a lot of this glue, kind of going in the direction of the nail charm and then sticking it on. And also when you're using really big nail charms like this, even though your nail's cured all the way at the end, you want to make sure to fill in any gaps on the sides that could cause any snagging or like your customer or client's hair to get caught in it. You want to make sure that you cover all the edges. Even if you have to apply more glue, you could always, before curing it, you could always grab a little brush and clean up any excess glue that's showing up on the mat. I just wanted to say that if you're using a glossy top coat, just gloss it after, you know, like go around the stones with your top coat, and you won't even be able to see the excess glue at all. But I know with matte, you don't want to have that glue showing, so just make sure to clean it up with some acetone. It'll be good as new. And yeah, so I just wanted to say that. And I of course do clean it up after I apply them, not when it's already cured. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. And then after this, I'm just going to be adding more little rhinestones around the nails. Okay, you guys, for the next design, I actually just wanted to add something really subtle, but still pretty to the pointer finger. I literally had no idea what to do. Trust me, I literally was sitting there contemplating my life, but I was like, what's something that'll look cute, but not too, like, I don't know, extra, because I didn't want it to take away from the rest of the nails. So I just did this really cute little stripe, and I covered it in glitter, and it actually ended up turning out perfect. I loved the design, and this is the final result after I filed them. You guys, they are stunning. Like, I loved these so much. I'm so obsessed with them. Everything about them is just gorgeous, and my customer loved them too, so that's all that matters. And I had so much fun with this freestyle. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.